Hello guys, welcome back on the Technology Welfare. Let's learn and of course watch with practical in this tutorial how to download iPhone's ringtone by free of course, and how do you go for customization setup as a ringtones. So custom ringtone, if you would like to have the quickly, how do you download it? Let's see. So firstly guys, we will tap it on manually, as we know that on iPhones and there is a limited ringtones. In that we will have to relax, but don't worry now. Yes, of course, by customization you can have any ringtone as your man ringtones. Along with, of course, you can download it also. You don't have to create a ringtone. So how do you? And from here you will download, and how do you have the directly on your mobiles as a ringtone. See here, when we will click on a sound and haptics, so where it is, this one is a sound and haptic. We will click here, fine, and thereupon of course we will click on a iTunes here, iTunes, and here see we have the limited, and if I clicks, then of course you will have to purchase the tone, so you don't have to purchase, of course, by free of course. I would like to show you the how do you have that. Yes, we have the limited, that's all, but of course by customization I would like to show you how quickly you will have it. So for it you will have to go for any administration, that is the 3U tool guys. In 3U tool, of course, click on a RT and WP. So RT means especially ringtone and wallpaper, by free of course you can have. So here, see, this is a feature, this is a weekly ranking ringtone, this is a monthly especially ranking, and third one is a total ranking. So if I click here, as we see, here, suppose we would like to have these ringtones, so otherwise of course you can have, see here, we can play it, and we can, and this one if you would like to have, then we will here clicks to a download, so it will quickly start to a download. Now see how quickly this one has been downloaded, and thereupon of course we will have this one also. So click on arrow, it has been downloaded, and third one of course we would like to have this one, this one. So let's see, this one also I have downloaded. Now fourth one, old iPhones, of course we will download. Nokia tunes, of course we will download, and thereupon of course all of these we will click on here, and whatever you have downloaded, that we will come on iTunes settings. Now here we will select the all in once time and import to a device. So click on here, you will have to connect a data cable guys, otherwise you won't be able to have that. So just simply connect a data cable. 3U tool will notify that it has been connected. So see, now it has been notified that it has been finally connected. Now it's time to export, so just we will have it, and thereupon of course here one by one also, or directly you can import by here. So now see, all of these will be imported here. Now see, these all came here. Finally if I click on Nokia, now see, now see, now see, so how easily you can have a multiple ringtone in once time, easy way. So this is all about in this video tutorial. In the next video tutorial also I would like to show you how do you create according to your own customization any ringtone, on how do you access to have it on your iPhones. Thank you very much indeed.